Wow, you're so quick.
What's that? It's smelling like cheese.
It smells like cheese. How does it smell like cheese, Mama? There's no cheese, Mama.
It's smelling like strawberry.
Strawberries now?
Yeah,
There's no strawberries.
look, see? Look, it's smelling like grape.
Shake. Okay, you done?
No, I'm making. I'm almost done.
Okay, almost done. No, don't stick your finger in there.
Look, I have fibers.
Yeah.
Look, it's a full. Whoa, what? Whoa.
Are you done? Or is it
I see fiber right here. Thank you. Whoa, here it goes.
Here it goes. Good job. You okay?
Yeah. I hurt my fingers.
Are you okay? Your fingers okay?
Yeah.
No. What is that? What does it smell like?
It's fine. Peanut butter.
Peanut butter?
Yeah, I know smell. It's very washing.
Really?
Look, it's very white.
Oh, now rice?
Yeah, it's very white.
Uh-oh.
Sorry.
Uh-oh.
Sorry.
Okay, just leave it. No, push it back in. Madison. Okay, you're done.
Sorry.
You made a mess.
Sorry.
That's okay.
Thank you.
Okay, you clean it up. Come on, Cinderella. Clean it up really good. Well, keep cleaning. Oh no! Get the book. All right, good job. Good job cleaning. You did it. Good job.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Right back.
You want it back?
Yeah.
Okay. Well, I got to start making the pancakes, okay?
Okay.
All right. Thank you for helping.
You're welcome. I want my fine man.
Okay.
Green fine man. It's blue fine man.
Okay. Jeez, you're so cute.